der Münchner FührungsWerkstatt. Wir haben heute wieder einen neuen Interviewgast. Das ist die Cherryl Duncan von Conscious Consulting. Und wer sie ist und was sie Spannendes macht, das erklärt sie uns gleich selber. Hallo Cherryl.
Hello.
Wer bist du und was machst du?
Yes, so my name is Cherryl Duncan and I have a company. It's called Conscious Consulting, as you rightly said. And basically I work to bring tools to organizations and individuals that involve mindfulness, yoga, amongst others, to try and promote a more happier, healthier, more vital, more resilient way of being, both for the individual and for organizations.
Und das ist ja das, was wir ganz dringend brauchen.
Ja, genau.
Was denkst du, warum sollten auch Führungskräfte auf diese Themen wie zum Beispiel Mindfulness achten? Warum ist das wichtig aus deiner Sicht?
Yeah, as I was just saying to you before the interview, just in the last 2 weeks alone, I've heard of people having really tragic cases of people having to be hospitalized, from cases of burnout, of real high stress. And I don't want to be depressing about this, but it's really something that we're having to take care of. I coach a lot of people that are incredibly ambitious, very successful, but at the same time they know that they need to be happy and they want to be happy. They want both. And yet they can't seem to let go of the success, or they think that having success means having to work harder. And that's because they don't have the awareness, they don't have the mindfulness to know that there's another way.
Yeah.
You can be successful and happy.
Yeah.
You can work smarter instead of harder.
Yeah.
So I just think that in our culture of high success and high achievement, we need as high a level of awareness and mindfulness.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Das heißt also, wenn ich als Führungskraft lerne, mich selber zu führen und auch zu schauen, wo ist es wichtig, irgendwie volle Leistung zu bringen und wie kann ich mir diese Leistung auch gut erhalten, dann ist das ja so die eine Sache. Und was bedeutet das aber auch für beispielsweise das Team, das ich dann führe? Wirkt sich das aus oder was bedeutet das für das ganze Unternehmen? Was würdest du sagen?
Yeah, I mean, I think you can't hope to lead somebody else unless you know how to lead yourself. And especially if you want to lead people in terms of these values, that's important. If happiness is a value, if balance is, if resilience, if health is a value, and there should be, then we first have to, of course, find it within ourselves. We have to understand how we move through the world with happiness, with balance, with resilience, before we can hope to try and instill it in others. And I don't mean like, you need to do this now, be happy, find work-life balance, go.
Yeah.
But actually to live it, and so that other people can feel it and almost be inspired by it, rather than told. Yeah.
So, das ist also auch so eine Sache von, so wie ich, das, was ich ausstrahle, das kommt auch bei den anderen an.
Ja, ja.
Okay.
Ganz genau.
Okay. Wenn du mit Klienten arbeitest, ne? Oder mit typischen Managern, die sehr gestresst sind, was sind so die ersten Dinge, die sie verändern wollen? Also was ist so, dass sie sagen, ich muss irgendwie was tun, ich merke, ich kann so nicht mehr weitermachen. Was ist so das Erste, was die machen wollen?
You know, it can begin with 5 minutes a day.
Okay.
It can begin with taking one single mindful breath a day, which sounds really easy, but you can't believe how many people tell me, I don't have 5 minutes.
I know. Yeah.
But if it's that important, and that's what I love, and that's actually why I love working with these people, because if you do get them to just breathe, it doesn't even have to, it can be 3 minutes. 3 minutes to just focus on a sense of feeling and a sense of awareness. Afterwards they're like, wow, you know, and it's always available. You don't have to do anything, and you always have your breath, you always have your body, and you always have 3 minutes.
Yeah. 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Yeah, that's right. But I think it's a big challenge, because wir sind es gar nicht gewohnt, irgendwie uns diese Zeit zu nehmen.
Ja.
Ne? Würdest du sagen, das ist so eine typische deutsche Kultur?
Yes, no, I think it's our culture. I think it's a
Okay.
Western culture of success, and
Mhm.
and we've almost glorified being busy. We've glorified being stressed.
Mhm.
We love the fact that
Mhm.
our agendas are packed one,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we just don't have the value anymore. It's seen as soft. It's seen
Yeah.
as weak. It's seen as almost self-indulgent.
Yeah.
You should be busy, and if you're not stressed, you're not working hard enough.
Yeah.
And that we really have to change,
Okay.
because it doesn't actually mean more success, and it doesn't necessarily mean more productivity. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, wenn wir beide zusammenarbeiten würden und ich sage zu dir 5 Minuten, was würdest du mir empfehlen? Am Morgen, am Abend, zwischendurch? Was ist so ein guter Zeitpunkt? Oder ist das ganz unterschiedlich, je nach Person?
Ganz unterschiedlich, ja.
Okay.
I would say it's definitely for the individual. Some people wake up with energy and they're ready to start the day, and they love the fact they can take a 5-minute mindful cup of coffee, and some people can't think until they've had coffee at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
And so I really want it to be workable within their existing lives. So it could be just in the middle of the day when you close your door, if you have a door, if you go to the office canteen or whatever, and make your cup of tea.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's going outside for 5 minutes.
Okay.
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, es lohnt sich auf jeden Fall anzufangen, und zwar am besten gleich heute noch.
Ja, hoffentlich.
Ja. Vielen Dank, Cherryl, für diesen kurzen
bitteschön.
Einblick.
Danke.
Ich finde es ganz toll, dass du da so deinen Fokus drauf legst, weil ich glaube, dass das einfach sehr, sehr wichtig ist, dass wir uns auch mehr auf unsere innere Balance konzentrieren, und von daher bin ich dir sehr dankbar, dass du uns heute kurz Zeit gegeben hast. Vielen Dank dafür.
Thank you so much. Thank you.